Hello everyone and welcome to Kiru's online lectures. I am Kira Jamtani and today's topic is alcohols, phenols and ethers part 4. In part 1, we studied introduction, classification, nomenclature and structure of functional groups. In part 2, we studied preparation of alcohols and phenols. In part 3, we studied physical and chemical properties of alcohols and phenols. Now, in this part, we are going to study some commercially important alcohols. So, moving on to some commercial important alcohols. So, the first is methanol. Now, methanol is basically represented by CH3OH. It is also known as wood spirit and it was first produced by destructive distillation of wood. Today, most of the methanol it is obtained by catalytic hydrogenation of carbon monoxide at high pressure and temperature and in presence of zinc chromium oxide, that is CO plus 2H2 hydrogenation of carbon monoxide in presence of zinc oxide Cr2O3 at 200 to 300 atm pressure and temperature 573 to 673 Kelvin. Thus, we get over here methanol. Now, this methanol it is a colorless liquid. It boils at 337 Kelvin. This methanol it is highly poisonous in nature. Ingestion of even small quantity of methanol it causes blindness and large quantity can lead to death. Methanol is used as solvent in paints, varnishes and it is basically used for making formaldehyde also. Coming on to next commercial important alcohol which is ethanol. Ethanol is basically C2H5OH which is also written as CH3CH2OH. It is obtained commercially by fermentation. The oldest method is from sugars. The sugar in molasses, sugar cane or fruits such as grapes is converted to glucose and fructose in the presence of an enzyme invertase. So, glucose and fructose they undergo fermentation in the presence of another enzyme zymase which is found in yeast. Thus, we write C12H22O11 in the presence of enzyme invertase. It gives glucose and fructose C6H12O6. So, the sugar that is in molasses or fruits such as grapes, it is first converted into glucose and fructose in the presence of invertase. Then this glucose and fructose C6H12O6 undergoes fermentation in the presence of enzyme that is zymase and it forms alcohol plus 2CO2. So, this alcohol is basically used in wine making. Grapes are the source of sugar and yeast. As grapes ripen, the quantity of sugar increases and yeast grows on the outer skin. Thus, when grapes are crushed, sugar and enzyme comes in contact and fermentation starts. Ethanol is colorless liquid which boils at 351 Kelvin. This is also used as a solvent in plant industry in the preparation of number of other compounds. Now, the commercial alcohol which is made unfit for drinking by mixing it with some copper sulfate, that is known as denaturation of alcohol. So, in today's video we studied some important alcohols that is methanol and ethanol. Hope you guys are finding videos helpful. So, do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.